So as y'all can see, small bag secured today. I didn't really want to go too crazy because I know Black Friday is this month. They're gonna do probably like a crazy Black Friday sale, so that probably wouldn't have benefited me at all to go in there and buy like more of the items that I wanted when I know it's a better sale on the way. And the big and tall section could have been a lot better, fellas, but I don't ever want to just record and leave you guys out, so I did record something. So I'm gonna go to the crib, man, break this joint down. Let me show y'all what I got. All right, you guys, as promised, small bag secured right here. We did grab a few items today, and we'll get into those, but hopefully you guys, if you haven't, use your 30% off coupon. That is where the 30% come from in this video. They sent it out, I think the last day. I don't know which the last day to use, but hopefully you checked your emails and y'all are able to use your coupon. So the first item of the day right here is this orange polo shirt right here. And I copped this because orange and navy, really, we're not gonna say anything with navy. Orange is my favorite color. And also in it with navy is a dope combination. And I definitely got some sneakers that I've been wanting a while to rock with these. Then on the back, this is a basic polo shirt, orange with the navy horse right here. So let me show you guys the next item. And this next item right here, I caught it on clearance, along with this polo shirt right here. This orange polo maybe came out to maybe $30. I caught this shirt right here on clearance. I think this shirt came out to like $18. And it was definitely a shirt that I wanted. I seen it a while back and I thought it was an outfit I wanted to put together. But I definitely was big on the orange and navy because the sneakers that I want to put together with these, nothing on the back, just University Polo, New York. Dope shirt right here. It's navy, but it's like a faded, like a distressed navy. And that's what made this joint stand out to me as well. So let me show you guys the ultimate touch that I will be pairing up for both of these shirts. And the sneakers we will be pairing up with this outfit, these Yeezy 500. And I think the colorway called Inflame. That's basically this orange and navy sneaker right here. Dope. This is probably like my favorite colorway, just based off the orange and navy. I got a thing for like loud colors and navy blue, especially orange and navy because orange is my favorite color. And it's basically with this shirt right here. I used to strike the navy is distressed along with the sneaker. And I'll give y'all a better view of it as well. Along with this polo shirt is just orange with the navy horse on it. So just wanted to pull it out. And Ralphlauren just recently dropped another hoodie that's like navy and orange as well. So that's definitely gonna get purchased next. So you'll definitely be seeing these again. Now I only got 2 items today, like I said in the video previously, because this month is the Black Friday sale, and I did not want to go too crazy and miss out on a potentially bigger deal. So I just grabbed these few items right here for today. And like I say, I always, man, appreciate you guys for tuning in and watching me. If you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and sub to the channel. Still on our way up to 10K. I appreciate y'all. If you haven't liked, matter of fact, before you sub, like, sub, comment, do all this stuff. Comment down below if you like this right here. In jeans, I'm gonna start showing you guys the jeans I'm gonna rock as well. Probably like some brown distressed jeans or something like that. Well, not distressed, like some tan brown jeans or something like that. Blue jeans that I'll probably put in this outfit out. Like I was saying, man, comment down below. Let me know if you like any of these items or if you purchase any of these items. And once again, man, I like to say thank y'all once again for tuning in to your boy. Until the next video. Before I get out of here, lives. If you haven't checked out the latest live I went live just to see like what else did you guys want me to bring to the channel as far as brands, any other things that you would like to see. And a lot of people left their comments. I wrote them all down and they left some good ideas from live unboxings to showing y'all more sneakers to even like get ready with me's, stuff like that. So we'll be going live. I don't know what date that we will start going live on. I kind of want to make it a consistent date so y'all know when to tune in from date and time. So be looking forward to that. So once again, thank y'all again. I'm out.
Shawty got that ass, my tracks will truly make it bounce. Home run, hit her for the hometown. In the long run, killing with my own sound. Niggas vibes are out because I'm on now. Way up and I stay up like a drone now. Can't say sorry if I hit you with the mix. It's probably cause you hit me with the switch. Ayy, K-Man clubbing every time we hit the Ville. Tropicana twister, baby girl just wanna